Hi guys, grocery shopping from Walmart. Second week of June day. Have creamer, all-purpose, pancake syrup, chicken broth, towel. Of course, the french fries, clementine, potatoes, onion, broccoli, bacon, cheese, two kind of different cheese, sliced cheese, Yakult, hot sauce, and plantain. This one, coconut milk. Yes, cookies, chicken breast, this one, ground beef and sausage, and this one sliced bread. And everything is $100, guys. We spend $100 every week